Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to claim Shopee Insurance. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Shopee app and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, go to the Me tab located at the bottom right corner. Next, find and tap on Shopee Insurance. This section will show your active insurance policies. Locate the specific policy you want to claim. After selecting the policy, look for the claim button or option. Tap on it and start the claims process. You'll be prompted to fill out a claims form. Provide all necessary details such as order number, description of the issue, and any supporting documents or photos if required. Once you've filled out the form, review your information to ensure everything is accurate. Then submit the claim. After submission, you'll receive a notification regarding the status of your claim. The review process may take some time, so be sure to check back for updates. So that's basically how you can claim Shopee Insurance. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.